Can you close that gate window? Because full sound is coming. Join everyone. See, last class, Peter, how many questions we have solved? We need to solve some more questions. Example, this and this. We have to find the magnitude. Example 10. Last class, we have finished some questions. Yesterday's class, we have find the magnitude of the vector, this one. So I taught how to find the magnitude of the vectors. These two vectors are equal. We will start with this. So when two vectors will be equal, how we are exactly going to solve? Good evening, everyone. Trigger children, please kindly respond as fast as possible. Everyone respond as fast as possible. Find the value of x, y, z so that the vectors are equal. Yesterday class itself, this was the last question we have done. When we have exactly understood that when two vectors are equal, their component can also become equal. So that time what we are going to write? So here, everyone please join as fast as possible. I have sent the link in the group. Yes, Kishore. Good evening, Kishore. Starting the class, beta. Okay. Now look here, Kishore. We need to understand that find the value of x, y, z. When two vectors are equal, component-wise, their coefficient will also become equal, beta. Good evening. So now look here. Component-wise, see. Then here we can write here that if two vectors are equal means a vector, let's check this one out, beta. A vector will be equal to B vector. So component wise it will become xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap equal to 2I cap. Okay, that's not that part. What is written as xi cap plus 2j cap plus zk cap is equal to 2I cap plus yj cap plus k cap. Now component wise check this one, which one will be equal to which one? This part I cap will be equal. So x answer is coming as 2. Now y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. So z is equal to 1. So this is exactly answered. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. This is the way through which we can make two vectors equal. Their corresponding component wise they will become equal beta. This part I will be equal to I, j will be equal to j and k will be equal to k. Understood? Okay, now look here. This part is over, Kishore. Himanshu done. We are solving questions. Yes, beta, can you write your name so that it will be easy for me? If you write your name, means it will be easy for me to know who and all students from Tikal Kundram have joined. Okay, Kishore have joined. After that, I am not getting the names. So this much is done. Now we will go for. Oh, your sister is Priya. Okay. Now look here. We'll go for the next one. We'll solve this question. Get ready for it. This question is find the magnitude of the vector. Beta, what is the formula for writing the magnitude of the vector? To get the magnitude of the vector, what we are going to write, Kishore? A vector is given as 3i minus 2j plus 6k vector. Now, what is the magnitude of it? The magnitude of it will be coming as 3 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 6 square. So, it is coming as 3 threes are 9 plus 2 twos are 4 plus 6 6 are 36. So it is coming as 49. Answer is coming as 7 units. So magnitude is coming as 7 units. Okay. Okay. It is coming as how much, beta? 7 units. Okay, Loga Pradeep is joined. Loga, I can see your name. So please kindly call out your name. Sanjana, good evening, beta. If you will be telling your name, it will be easy for me to respond. So this is exactly to find the magnitude. Kishore understood, Sanjana understood, beta. Okay, very good, beta. So we will go. This is magnitude finding. This is exactly to find the magnitude. Understood, na Yashika? How to find the magnitude, beta? Once you are writing modulus, so coefficient square 3 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 6 square, and this is the way to find the magnitude. Now we will go for the next one, please. Question: find the distance between the point this using vector method. See, to find the distance between two vectors, so 2 points are given. What are the things what we are going to do here? First, check this one out, beta. So here, now look here. So this point and this point. So they're asking distance. Usually we used to use distance formula, but here we are not going to use distance formula. What we are going to do here is, so this point we are going to connect it with origin. Okay. So here this is O. This point is coming as A, and this point is coming as B. So this is coming as 2, comma 3, comma 1, and B point is minus 1, comma 2, comma minus 3. Done, beta? So here, now what we are going to do is, we need to find the distance between AB. We need to find what? Distance between AB. To get the distance between AB, we need to get the position vector. Okay? So first, what is OA vector? OA vector will be written as 2I plus 3j plus k. Now what is beta OB vector? OB vector is equal to minus I plus 2j minus 3k. Till here it is done. So now this work, what we are going to do here is, we need to find distance of AB. So first we have to find what is AB vector. AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. Done? OB vector minus OA vector. So now what you are going to write OB? Your OB vector is minus I plus 2j minus 3k minus OA is 2I plus 3j plus k. Now we are going to open that bracket, minus I minus 2I plus 2j minus 3j minus 3k minus k. So how much it is coming, beta? AB vector is coming as minus, this is coming as how much? Minus 3I. Now here minus j and here minus 4k. So now if we are getting magnitude of AB vector, magnitude is nothing but distance. Magnitude is nothing but distance. So this part will become minus 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 4 square beta. So it is coming as 9 plus 1 plus 16. So it is coming as how much? Root under 26 units. Anybody got that? Root under 26 units? Come on, say. So this is the way to find. So please Kishore, check this one out. So this is exactly the way to find root under. So magnitude. This part is coming as how much beta? So 2 minus, see, I minus 2 means minus 1 minus 2. It will become minus 3. So minus 3 whole square is giving you 9. 2 minus 3 will become minus 1. Minus 1 whole square will give you 1. So 9 plus 1 will become 10. Now 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So minus 4 will give you how much beta? Minus 4 square will give you 16. So 9 plus 1, 26. Root under 26 units. Everybody got that 26 units? Come on, say quickly. Did you got 26 units? Yes, Tanish. Did you got Loga got the answer, beta? Super. Okay. So Loga Pradeep has got the answer. Tanish, the solving questions, beta. So now we are going to go for the next question. Get ready for it. Till this one, because Tikal children did not attended these questions, so I solved this question. Now we are going to go to the second part. Now everybody, please solve this question. Example number 10. Try this question. Smriti, try to solve this question, beta. So try to solve this question. Example number 10, children. Example number 10, try to solve. Good evening, Shivaranjani. Everybody, please join this session. It is very important for vector point of view. I need to start dot product today. Vanakkam, sir. I have to start vector today. Vector dot product I have to start. Solve this question. So magnitude of A vector minus 2B vector. First you write down what is A vector minus 2B vector. Loga, tell the answer, beta. Kishore, Loga, try this question and give me the answer. Question is what? Question is exactly coming as A vector minus 2B vector magnitude. So first you find A vector minus 2B vector. Okay. So here it is coming as A vector is coming as 3I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap. This is coming minus 2 into B vector. What is B vector? 2I minus 4J minus 3K cap. So once you have written till here, come on, check this one out. Once you have written till here, what is exactly coming as 3I minus 2J plus K minus 4I plus 2 4 is 8J plus 3 2 is 6K is coming. Done na? So here till here we have done. So 3 minus 4 is coming as minus I. Minus 2 plus 8 is coming as plus 6. Minus 2 plus 8 is 6J plus K plus 7K. So once you have done till here, now you have to find magnitude. So once you are finding the magnitude at that particular moment, what you need to do is this modulus means root under minus 1 whole square plus 6 square plus 7 square is there. So this part will become 1 plus 36 plus 49. So it is coming as 49 plus 150, 50 plus 36. It is coming as 86. So root under 86 unit. Anybody got root under 86 units? Very good. Super. That's absolutely correct. Root under 86 units. That's correct only. Root under 86 unit. Okay, super. Kishore and Loga both have got the answer. Root under 86 units. Super. Smriti also got the answer, root under 86 units. Yes. Yeah, I'm a little bit not fine. What should I do? My mistake only with that. You people are walking properly. I'm not walking properly. So punishment got fine. Now little bit okay. Now beta, you have to tell it is an isosceles triangle. Come on, go for it, please. Example 11. Try to solve. Yes. Try to solve this question. A, B, C. We'll connect it. See, last class for 2 dimension we have done. Now we are doing it for 3 dimension. How we are going to do beta? Now please check. A point we are going to take it as 2 comma 0 comma 0. B comma it will be 0 1 comma 0. C point is coming as 0 comma 0 comma 2. Okay, we'll connect everything with origin. Now everything is going like this. So what will be OA vector beta? OA vector is equal to 2i. Rest of that everything is 0. OB vector is coming as j, because here OI component is 0, K component is 0. OC vector is equal to 2K. All set. OA, OB, OC all set. Okay. Now look here, what we are going to do here is we need to find AB, because they asked us is it isosceles or not. So we need to find it is isosceles or not. For that, AB vector means OB vector minus OA vector. So what is OB? I minus 2 j minus 2i. Now what is the magnitude of AB vector? Magnitude of AB vector is j minus 2i. So this is minus 2 square plus 1 square. It is coming as 4 plus 1 root under 5. Now find BC vector. BC vector is OC vector minus OB vector. So that is what is OC? 2k vector minus j vector. So now beta 2k vector minus j vector means now what is the magnitude of BC vector? So it is coming as 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. It is coming as root under 5 units. Now AC vector is coming as what? OC vector minus OA vector. So OC vector minus OA vector. What is OC beta? 2k vector minus 2i vector. So here if we will find, sorry, AC vector. Now what is the magnitude of AC vector beta? Magnitude of AC vector means 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. So root under 4 plus 4 root under 8. Root under 4 plus 4 root under 8. So once you are writing all this, so one small work you need to do, this side is exactly coming as how much beta? Root under 5, this is root under 5 and this is root under 8. So what we are going to assume here is AC is equal to AB is equal to root under 5 and BC is equal to root under 8. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. I hope till here everybody understood. Yes, beta, vectors are always hot and the teachers who are teaching are always respectful. Now look here. Yes, answer got na Smriti? Very good, beta. So I hope everybody might have understood OA, OB and OC. So AB is coming as Kishore. Everybody, did you prove this one, beta? Did you proved? Everybody, come on, quickly inform me. Did you prove this one? Yes, super. We'll go for the next one. Yes, Loga, super. Where is Podi? Where is Ritish? I'm not getting their names. These many students are there in Trikal Kundram. One student also is not responding. That's not good. Sanjana done. Shiva, Tanesh. Okay, till here it is done, na beta. So it is coming as root under 8. Divya, Kartika, now look here, beta. Till this much is done, we will go for the next question. Come on, go for this question, beta. Show that the points with position vector respectively form the vertices of a right angle triangle. See, what is exactly next question? This is the next question. Try this next question, children. This is the next question. Try this next question. Solve this question. Everyone try this question, please. Can I solve? You need to prove that it is exactly vertices of a right angle triangle. See, right angle triangle means all the right angle triangles can follow the Pythagoras theorem. You should just keep that one in mind. You will be able to solve. Can I solve it? Okay, beta, I'm only going to solve. Now look here, position vector A vector, B vector, C vector. So again, we don't know what and all are the vertices. So right angle triangle it has said. So OA vector, we will take it as, take this as OA vector. OA vector is equal to what is given, beta? A vector, position vector. Okay. Now it is coming as 3I, okay, minus 4J minus 4K. Done. Now next one, beta. OB vector will be coming as B vector and it is coming as, can you tell me? Minus 4k na 2I. Yashika, tell me the values, beta. Minus j plus k. And what is OC vector, beta? OC vector is coming as I cap minus 3j minus 5k. Correct na? Now beta, what we need to do? First we need to find AB vector. So when we are finding AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. Done. OB vector minus OA vector. So OB is 2I minus j plus k minus 3I minus 4j minus 4k. Beta, once we open the bracket, how much it is coming? 2I minus j plus k minus 3I plus 4j plus 4k. Okay. So it is coming as, beta, 2I minus 3I will become minus I and here it is coming as 3j and beta, what is coming as k. So can we find the magnitude of it? Once we will get the magnitude, means picture will become clear. So minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 1 square only. 1 square only is coming now. Check to 4, 4 plus 1, 5 k is there. 5. So 5 square will be there. Check this one out, beta. What is the value coming? 1, 9 and 25. That is root under 35 is coming. Magnitude of AB vector is coming as root under 35. Okay. Now BC we will find. BC is OC minus OB vector. What is OC beta? I minus 3j minus 5k minus OB vector is 2i minus j plus k beta. So what answer is coming? I minus 3j minus 5k minus 2i plus j minus k. How much it is coming beta? I minus 2i means minus I minus 2j minus 6k. Now beta its magnitude will become, magnitude of BC vector is coming as how much? Root under minus 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 36. So how much it is coming beta? Root under 41. How much it is coming? Root under 41. Now beta AC, we have to solve with patience. AC is OC vector minus OA vector. So what is OC beta? I minus 3j minus 5k. Now minus OA is 3i minus 4j minus 4k beta. So here it is coming as I minus 3j minus 5k minus 3i plus 4j plus 4k. So here it is coming as I minus 3i is minus 2i and here beta plus j and this is minus k. So magnitude wise how much it is coming? Magnitude wise it is coming as minus 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So it is coming as 4 plus 1 plus 1. It is coming as 4, 5, 6 root under 6. Root under 6. So beta we got all the values, we got all the three values. So now we are going to finally summarize it. Now check, because we know that if it is a right angle triangle, then what it is going to do beta? So that means I'm going to draw the triangle. See, did you notice one thing? 6 plus how much it is coming beta? 35 is root under 41. 6 plus 35 is root under 41 and 41 is coming as BC. So 100% B will be here, C will be here, A will be here. Okay. So magnitude wise BC is coming as root under 41. Correct. This part AB is coming as 35 and this part is coming as 6. Now beta we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So how we are going to use Pythagoras theorem? It is satisfying Pythagoras theorem means it is a right angle triangle. So satisfying Pythagoras theorem means it is going to be right angle triangle. So let's check this one out. Magnitude of AB vector. So magnitude of AB vector whole square plus magnitude of AC vector whole square is equal to magnitude of BC vector whole square. So that means this is coming as, this part is coming as 35 plus 6. That is coming as 41 and 41 is nothing but magnitude of BC vector whole square. So it is what type of triangle? Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. It is what type triangle beta? Right angled triangle. Quickly check children, is it understandable? I found AB by another method. No, same method. Magnitude of AB, magnitude of BC and magnitude of AC we got. And then beta once we squared it, we came to know BC came as a hypotenuse. And okay beta, Kishore, thank you so much Kishore for cooperating today. I'm seriously in very trouble. So, so BC is coming as root under 41. So 41 square is coming as 41 beta. So 6 plus 36 is coming as 41. I hope everybody understood. Come on children, say quickly. Did you understood this one? Yes, it is easy to understand. Thank you so much beta. Thank you beta. Yashika, note down beta. So AC we got BC we got, AB we got, and final conclusion I have solved here. If you will check this one out, this is the final conclusion I have written. That is this part. If you wish, I'll elaborate it. So the final part I have written here. What final part is there? That BC magnitude whole square is equal to AB magnitude whole square plus AC magnitude whole square. So therefore, triangle, because 41 is equal to 35 plus 6. So therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. That's it. Right angled at. Hi Smriti. Yes, Kishore, but they have given position vector. Because they have given position vector, so only writing like this. When they will not give position vector, means directly we can write. So I'm just following the rules and regulation, not leaving a single part, because directly will be very easy, AB vector. But no, if it will not come beta, position vector written means OA is that value. Position vector is OA is that value. Are you understanding? Position written is OA is that value, Kishore. Yes. Now we need to find AB, BC, AC. Position given means they are talking about OA as A vector, OB as B vector, and OC as C vector. Then only after subtracting you are getting the magnitude beta. After subtracting you are getting the magnitude. That's the most important part. In absence of that, it will not come correct answer. Answer will not come. Yes. So this is exactly, I hope you might have solved this question. Shall we go for the next question, Beta? Now we are going to solve the next question. Now come on, go for this question. Yes. Okay, Beta, try the next question. A vector is given as this much, B vector is given as this much, represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Find the unit vector parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is seriously a very good question. Please try this question, everyone. Try this question, everyone, and give the answer. Some sound came. At least adjacent means like this. Try. See beta, you need to just find the resultant A vector plus B vector. Nothing is there in this question. If you will think nicely means you need to only find A vector plus B vector. Can I give some solution? Can I give some idea here? See, can I tell you in parallelogram last class we have discussed about, so I'm going to talk about this. Please check this one out. So if A vector and B vector represents two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So let's draw the parallelogram beta. So this is exactly parallelogram, this side and this side and this side. So this is coming as A, B, C and D. This we will take it as A vector, this one we will take it as B vector. So this is the diagonal, one diagonal we are drawing, and that diagonal is exactly coming as what with a resultant. So if this is coming as resultant, now this is following triangle law, correct? So here what we can write, AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector. So AC vector is coming as what beta? AC vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. Here position word they have not used. So directly we can go for it. What is A vector beta? A vector. So AC vector is coming as, we will add this, we will write here. So I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector, okay, plus 2i plus 4j and beta minus 5k vector. So what it is coming, 2 plus 3 will be 1 plus 2 will become 3i. Now 2 plus 4 will become 6j and here it will become minus 2k. So this is coming as AC vector. Understood? This is coming as what beta? AC vector. So what is the unit vector of AC vector? Unit vector of AC vector. Shall we find first unit vector? What is the formula for unit vector beta? Unit vector is equal to vector by its magnitude. Vector by its magnitude. So we are going to do that work only. So now vector by its magnitude. So what is the unit vector? AC unit vector we are going to write. So we will call it as C vector. Okay, then it will become easy to write its unit vector. C vector. So resultant is coming as C. Resultant is coming as C. Now, beta whatever, because they are telling find the unit vector parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram. So any unit vector parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram will be same value as that of the unit vector of the parallelogram itself, because support is parallel now. So here what we are going to do, first listen carefully. This is coming as C vector. C vector is coming as 3i plus 6j minus 2k. Done beta. What is the magnitude of it? Magnitude of it is 3 square plus 6 square minus 2 whole square. So it is coming as how much beta? 9 plus 36 plus 4. So it is coming as root under 49 and that is coming as 7. Okay. So first work what we are going to do here is we will be writing unit vector is coming as C vector by magnitude of C vector. So what is the unit vector coming beta? 3i minus 6 plus 6j minus 2k by 7. Understood? So any vector, any unit vector parallel to diagonal, any unit vector parallel to diagonal will become the unit vector of diagonal. Same. Because yesterday itself we have discussed, at the time of teaching we have discussed this one. Na? I hope till here you have understood. So whatever vector, unit vector will be there, which will be C. Find the unit vector parallel to the diagonals of the parallelogram. So whatever unit vector will be parallel, its unit vector of the diagonal will be same as the unit vector which is parallel to the diagonal. Understood? So whatever C vector will be coming, the unit vector value remains the same. So this will become the unit vector which will be parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram. Okay. So last class itself we have discussed now two vectors are parallel, their unit vectors remains the same. Understood this one? Last class itself we have discussed now beta. Did you understood this part? Kishore, yesterday we have discussed this part. Yes, yesterday we talked about it. When two vectors will be, yes, we have done questions also now. Based on that, we have done parallel beta, and with the parallel support, we have finished that one. Now look here. We'll go for the next question, please. So I think unit vector related more of the content we have studied. Vector algebra, we have done it very nicely. Direction ratio and direction cosine, I have to teach you people. Now go for this question, beta. This is the practice questions. These are the practice questions. Come on, take one practice question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 practice questions are there. Find the vector, find the unit vector in the direction of this. Okay? Come on, go for it, beta. 10th question, go. internally and externally. I'm going to solve this question because this is NCRT question. Question number 10 is NCRT question. See, find the position vector of the point R when divided by the line segment joining the point this and this. So definitely we have done questions like this. 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Just remember this one, better note down to P point and Q point, note down to. Give me this. 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1 and 1. Note down. I'll just, and give me this value. Then internal and external division I'll do and show you. I'll solve this question. One to one and minus 1, 1, 1. Correct now? So now better look here. What is the question actually given to you is, look this one out. So here P point is there. It is given as 1, 2, 1 and Q point is given as minus 1, 1 and 1. So everything we are going to connect it with position given is origin we are going to connect. Now R is the point which is dividing it into the ratio 2:1. So this R is the point which is dividing it into the ratio 2:1. Got it? And we have one formula. We have understood internal section formula I have taught. In that internal section formula, what I have taught is OR vector is equal to M into B vector plus N into A vector by M plus N. This formula I have given where M and N ratio will be there. So OR vector will be written like that. So here we are going to write OP vector first. OP vector. So this part we can take it as P vector. OP vector we can take it as P vector. Okay, because this will multiply with this will multiply with that part. So if OP vector is coming as I plus 2j plus k and OQ vector is coming as Q vector, that is minus I plus j plus k. Done. Now this will multiply with this. M will multiply with B. M will multiply with B. So what we are going to write? M will multiply with B vector. So here B vector is Q vector. So here 2 will multiply with Q vector. 1 will multiply with P vector. By ratio is 2 plus 1 and that will be equal to OR. We can write it as R vector. Done. Now R vector part we are going to write it as Xi, Yj and Zk because this point we don't know. This point only we need to find. So this point we are going to write X, Y and Z. Okay. Now next part is Q. What is Q? Q is minus I plus J plus K and then plus P. What is P beta? I plus 2J plus K by 2 plus 1, 3. So Xi, Yj plus Zk is equal to minus 2I plus I. So minus 2I plus I by 3. I'm just dividing the component. 2j plus 2j by 3 plus 2k plus k by 3. Now x will be equal to this one I component. So one time I'm writing xi plus yj plus zk is equal to minus I by 3 plus 4j by 3, okay, plus 3 by 3k. Now x will be equal to minus 1 by 3, y will be equal to 4 by 3, and z will be equal to 1. That's it. Done. We got the R vector. Come on, check this one out, beta. And this is NCRT question. Question number 10 is NCRT question. That question number 10, what we have solved. So that means we got resultant R vector. What is OR vector, beta? So with proud, we can say OR vector is equal to minus 1 by 3I plus 4 by 3J plus K vector. This is what they asked, no? This is what they asked. I hope everybody got this answer. Till here, is it okay? I hope you might have understood till here it is okay. I solved it very small steps I have taken. I have explained everything. Internal section formula I have used. I have explained every single point. I didn't rush it. Yes, I didn't rush it at all. I just solved it very simple steps I have taken. Yes, Sanjana understood. Everybody understood. Come on, say. I hope you might have liked the class. Okay, the class is okay, informative like that. Fine now. I'm moving. You see. I'm moving, you see. Yes, thank you so much, Peter. Did you understood nicely? Super. So now we are going to go for the next question. Ready for the next question? That was NCRT question. Our main focus should be NCRT question. Let's go for the NCRT question. So next question NCRT is this one. Show that the points this are the vertices of a right angle triangle. We already solved this question. Like, will you be able to solve? Yes. Next question is find the position vector of the midpoint joining this and this. So definitely we will solve this question number 14. Try this question. Question number 14 and 15 try. Question number 14 we will try and question number 15 we will try. 14 is easy or tough? Check this one out. Question number 14 and question number, ma'am, externally MB minus, that's correct only. You can go for the external part, beta. External is directly that one. Na? I did internal. External M will become what? M will become 2 and N will become 1. External M will become 2 and N will become 1 and you will be able to solve. Yes. External part is that. This one try na Kishore, this question. Kishore, Loga, whosoever is present in the class, please kindly try solving this question. Very good, Kishore. Answer is coming minus I plus 1 by 3k. Okay, I didn't solve it. Anyone else got this answer? Okay. So right now, which question you are solving, Kishore? Ayo, Loga Pradeep is getting different answer. You are getting different answer. 13th. 13th is asking it's a right angle triangle. 13th is asking it's a right angle triangle. Try. Hmm. See, middle point question is very easy now. If you will be solving middle point question number 14, see P and Q will be there. Ratio will become 1 is to 1 now. So R will be there. The ratio middle point is exactly having is P point is coming as 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Q point is coming as 4, 1, minus 2. Okay, Q is there. So 100% R vector will be coming as 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2 is 3i. OR vector directly we can write 3i. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2j. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus k. This is the answer. This is question number 14th answer. Is this done? So this is exactly coming as 3i, 2j, but because midpoint now, so I component will be added to I component. So 2 plus 4 will become 6, 6 divided by 2 will become 3. So 3i coming, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 divided by 2 means 2j is coming, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 means 1 is coming. Yes, got the answer, Kishore? Absolutely, beta. Now look here. Now, last question. Now this is not a very big tough question. It is actually an easy question. Just check this one out. What they are telling here is they're telling find the value of x for this is a unit.